In this segment, we're going to talk about a series of bonuses that, for many of you, will end up being even more profitable than the unilevel bonuses. They are called infinity bonuses. As you achieve the various rank advancements from bronze to diamond, you will qualify to earn a series of escalating infinity bonuses on your entire organization. Your first infinity bonus kicks in when you qualify as a bronze. The bronze infinity bonus is an extra 1% on your entire organization. This is over and above the unilevel bonuses that you are being paid. On your screen now, you can see a series of charts that illustrate how the bronze infinity bonus is paid. In this illustration, we're showing that you have 3 distributor legs. In each of these 3 legs, you will receive the unilevel bonuses on levels 1 through 4. Plus, you will get the 1% bronze infinity bonus on everything. This totals out to 2% on your first level, 5% on your second level, 5% on your third level, 5% on your fourth level, and 1% on everything below that as far down as it goes. You will continue to be paid at this rate until someone in your organization qualifies as a bronze. Let's say that your first level distributor in leg 1 does qualify as a bronze. When they qualify, they will pick up the 1% bronze infinity bonus on their organization, and you will no longer receive it on the people who are underneath them. But you will continue to receive the 1% on all of your other legs until or unless someone in those legs qualifies as a bronze. Let's also say that someone on the 7th level of your distributor leg number 3 qualifies as a bronze. In this situation, they will begin receiving the 1% bronze infinity bonus on the people underneath them, and you will no longer receive it on their portion of your organization. But as you can see, you will still receive it on the people that are between you and them. The next infinity bonus is the silver infinity bonus. When you qualify as a silver, you will begin earning the 1% silver infinity bonus on your organization. This is over and above the 1% bronze infinity bonus. This means that your total infinity bonuses are now 2%. On your screen now, the charts illustrate how the silver infinity bonus is paid. In this illustration, we are again showing that you have 3 distributor legs. As a silver, you will receive unilevel bonuses on levels 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Plus, you will get the 2% silver infinity bonus on everything. This totals out to 3% on your first level, 6% on the second level, 6% on the third, 6% on the fourth, 6% on the fifth, and 2% on everything below that as far down as it goes. You will continue to be paid at that rate until someone in your organization qualifies as a bronze or a silver. For example, let's say that a 3rd level distributor in leg 1 qualifies as silver. When they qualify, they will pick up the 2% silver infinity bonus on their organization, and you will no longer receive it on the people who are underneath them. But again, you will continue to receive the 2% on all of your other legs. Let's also say that someone on the 7th level of your distributor leg number 3 qualifies as a bronze. In this instance, they will begin receiving the 1% bronze infinity bonus on the people underneath them. This leaves you with a 1% infinity bonus on their organization, plus you are still getting the full 2% on the people between you and them. The next infinity bonus is the gold infinity bonus. When you qualify as a gold, you'll begin earning the 1% gold infinity bonus on your entire organization. This is over and above the bronze and the silver infinity bonuses. This means that your total infinity bonus will now be 3%. On your screen, the charts illustrate how the gold infinity bonus is paid. Once again, we're showing that you have 3 distributor legs. On each of these 3 legs, you will receive the unilevel bonuses on levels 1 through 6. Plus, you will get the 3% gold infinity bonus on everything. This totals out to 4% on your first level and 7% on levels 2 through 6, and then 3% on everything below that as far down as it goes. You will continue to be paid at this rate until someone in your organization qualifies as a bronze, silver, or gold. Next, let's say that your first level distributor in leg 1 qualifies as a bronze. When they qualify, They will pick up the 1% bronze infinity bonus on their organization, and you will no longer receive it on the people who are underneath them. This leaves you with 2% on the people underneath them. At the same time, you will continue to receive the 3% on all of your other legs. Let's also say that in leg number 2, a bronze shows up on the 4th level, and a silver shows up on your 7th level. In this instance, the bronze will pick up 1% on his organization down to the silver, and the silver will pick up 2% on their organization. This leaves you with the difference between the 3% that you are qualified for and the percentages which they are qualified for. Next, let's say that a gold develops on the 5th level of leg number 3. This gold will qualify for the 3% gold infinity bonus on their organization, which means you won't be receiving an infinity bonus on their part of your organization. Moving on, when you qualify as a platinum, you will begin earning the 1% platinum infinity bonus on your organization. This takes your total possible infinity bonuses to 4%. All of the same principles apply. When you qualify as a titanium, you'll begin earning the 1% titanium infinity bonus on your organization. This increases your total infinity bonuses to 5%. On your screen now, the charts illustrate how the titanium infinity bonus is paid. In this illustration, we are again showing that you have 3 distributor legs. In each of these 3 legs, you'll receive the unilevel bonuses on levels 1 through 8, plus you will get the 5% titanium infinity bonus on everything. This totals out to 6% on your first level, and 9% on levels 2 through 8, and 5% on everything below that, as far down as it goes. You will continue to be paid at these rates until someone in your organization qualifies for one of the infinity bonuses. This time around, let's say that you have a 3rd level bronze and a 6th level silver in leg 1. The bronze will qualify for 1% on their organization. The silver will qualify for 2% on their organization. This leaves you with the difference between the 5% that you are qualified for and the percentages which they are qualified for. Let's also say that in leg 2, you have a silver on your 1st level and a gold on your 6th level. In this instance, the silver will pick up the 2% on their organization, and the gold will pick up the 3% on their organization. This leaves you with these remaining infinity bonuses on leg number 2. Let's also say that a platinum develops on the 4th level of leg 3. This platinum will qualify for the 4% platinum infinity bonus on their organization, which means you will be left with a 1% infinity bonus on their part of your organization. The top position in the BodyFX pay plan is a diamond. When you qualify as a diamond, you will begin earning the 5% diamond infinity bonus on your organization. This takes the total of your infinity bonuses to 10%. Here's what the charts look like when the diamond infinity bonus kicks in. In each of the 3 legs in our example, you will be receiving the unilevel bonuses on levels 1 through 9, plus you will get the 5% bronze through titanium infinity bonuses and the 5% diamond infinity bonus on everything. This totals out to 11% on your 1st level, a whopping 14% on levels 2 through 9, and 10% on everything below that as far down as it goes. Once again, you will continue to be paid at these rates until someone in your organization qualifies for one of the infinity bonuses. We'll demonstrate how it works one last time. In this example, let's say that in leg number 1, you have a bronze on level 2, a gold on level 5, and a platinum on level 9. The bronze will get 1% on their organization, down to the first bronze or higher. The gold will get 3%, down to the first distributor that is qualified for an infinity bonus. And the platinum will get 4% on their organization. This leaves you with these percentages. Pretty strong. If in leg number 2 you have a silver on the 1st level, a platinum on the 5th level, and a titanium on the 9th level, the silver would get 2% on their organization, down to the first infinity bonus qualifier. The platinum would get 4% on their organization, and the titanium would get 5% on their organization. This would leave you with the following percentages. Again, not too bad. And if in leg number 3 you had a titanium on your second level, they would get 5% on their organization, and you would be left with 5% infinity money on this leg, which, when added to the 9 levels of unilevel bonuses, is pretty substantial. And here's the exciting part. Every additional new leg that you enroll will pay you the full infinity bonuses until a rep in that leg qualifies for one of the infinity bonuses. So no matter how well you're doing, no matter how big your check is, it gives you a real reason to want to keep on recruiting, because the money that you will make off the new legs is absolutely incredible.